Hi, I'm Jan Loscheider, and I'm from Millbury, Ohio, and I'm the winner of Fatboy Slim Make a Video Contest. Here it is. I hope you like it. Hi, Keith.
Thanks, Tom. So any of you cats headed out to the Fatboy Slim concert tonight, make sure to give yourself enough time. You're listening to the Mornings in Plum, WKITY.
If not, I want you to join in. Just put your hands together like this,
Yeah, let me tell you what I'm talking about, baby. Some people call me the space cowboy, and some people call me the gangster of love. Yeah, and some people walking around calling me Maurice, 'cause I speak of the pompatus of love. Oh, yeah. Have no fear, my dear. People talk about me, baby. Talk about me bad, too. They say I'm doing you wrong, doing you wrong, doing you wrong. Well, don't let that worry you, baby. Oh, baby, bubble. 'Cause I'm right.